In the Nuvem Gram Sabha on Sunday, villagers made several key resolutions impacting local governance and cultural affairs. The community members called for the inclusion of the Roman script of Konkani alongside the Devanagari script in the Official Language Act. The villagers of Nuvem voiced strong opposition to the Sunburn festival, joining the long list of adversaries in South Goa. They cited concerns over the event's impact on local communities and the environment. The meeting also addressed pressing local issues, including the growing problem of stray dogs. The villagers committed to taking action to manage and reduce the dog menace in the area. Furthermore, they opposed extensive land conservation efforts, arguing that such measures adversely affect local residents and their livelihoods. The community also demanded compensation for Nuvem farmers who have suffered losses due to recent heavy rains.
They wanted to abolish what is called as 17(2) of the DCP Act and also Section 39A. चडशे flooding बीन जाले नुवे आनी चडशे fields सायटी convert जालो एक senior citizen आमकां already सांगिल्लें देखून that about 68,000 area is already been converted in Nuvem village, which he pointed out to the villages of Goloi and of Patyapur also. So they are saying that those two sections have to be abolished. Besides that, we had dog menace which has been created in the village, and SC schemes the programs application also application with regards to Sunburn, which they said they opposed the having of the festival in the state of Goa, which was unanimously passed, and that's it. Most of this and Romi Lipi Lagun along with Devanagari scheme that special status grant farmers लागून चडशे डिस्कशन जालें एक फाटी आमकां एक रिटायर्ड एग्रीकल्चरल ऑफिसर आसा आमच्या नुवें विलेजीन आनी ही हेज एक्सप्लेन टू अस की आमगे हुंवार कितू पाटी येता तो विलेजीन आनी हे पाटी हुंवार जाल म्हणटाय तो 4 पाटी जाल म्हणून सांगिल्लें आनी त्या कारणाक लागून जायतीं शेतां at the same time agricultural department is telling us to have mechanized farming, and at the same time government is also having to look at how this flooding is taking place. So that which was been brought before us. Agricultural loss जाला ते कारण हांवें सांगलां आमगे पंचायती इन एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटा समोर बसता आनी तेका तुमी एप्लिकेशन हाडून दिवचें तें सांगलां आनी हेंयी सांगलां तेणी की गेल ते वर्साचें बी कॉम्पेन्सेशन आजून गव्हर्मेंटान पावोवं ना. सो दॅट वॉज ऑल्सो द प्लीड ऑफ द ग्रामसभा ऑफ नुवे फॉर विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द फार्मर्स.
TCP सेक्शनाचे थोडे डिस्कशन जालें ना 17B आणि
39A चे डिस्कशन जालें. They are opposing to it. That is, they are saying that the filling up of all these lands has to be completely in conversion. They are opposing it because they are saying that चडशे projects आहेत, concrete structures यूज जातात आणि flooding बीन जाते ते कारणाक लागून. And they are saying 11th schedule of the constitution is not been taken into consideration, where our suggestions have been invited, but nothing was been put on to paper. That is what the Gram Sabha is saying. According to the constitutional rights, we have a right to decide for ourselves. Clean environment, water, disaster management, health, protection from elements of society like sunburn and all this is not our culture, this is not our way, this is being pushed on us. People from outside Goa are teaching us that that is our festival. It is not touristic also, because tourists are nobody to tell us what we should do in our land. You see us for what we have, our own culture. आमचो शिगमो, आमचो क्रिसमस, आमची जात्रा, आमची फेस्ता, हे आमचे दायज आणि हे आमचे कल्चर. I'm happy that all Gram Sabha members unanimously passed a resolution which we want for our village and for our Goa.
Section 17(2) आणि 39A असं त्याच्या नुवेचेर किती इफेक्ट जातलो?
Section 17(2), 39A आमकां कळून काय येना, आमी सोदून काडपाक जाय. कित्याक गव्हर्मेंट आमकां कितेंच बरोबर सांगना. आज करेक्शन जाता, कोणे एप्लिकेशन दिला तांचें नांव खबर ना, सर्वे नंबर खबर ना, कितल्यो जागा ती खबर ना. म्हणटरी आमी RTI घालपाचें, म्हयनोभर रावपाचें, झक मारीत आनी तें सगळें शोध लावपाचो. म्हणटरी हे चोरी करता म्हणून ते आमकां सरळ उक्तीपणान कशें कितें तें सांगना. आतां आमकां कळून आयला हेंचो फक्त भांडवलदार आनी रियल एस्टेट लॉबीक लाभ पावोवपाचो ह्यो सवलती करून दिता आनी कायदो हाडटा.
गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या गांवच्या ग्रामसभांनी एकठांय केलोले थाराव रेझोल्युशन्स आमी दिल्लींत आसलोल्या लिंग्विस्टीक मायनॉरिटीज कमिशन हाच्या कमिशनराक दितले. थंय हाचेर ते विचार करतले, भासाभास करतले आनी भारताच्या राष्ट्रपतीक ते धाडून दितले. अशें करून आमी सरकारा लागीं कांय स्पेशल अशें मागना, फक्त आमचो फंडामेंटल रायट मागून घेतले. समजता हो प्रश्न तुमकां समजला आनी हांव एक ग्रामसभेक विनंती करतां, रोमी लिपीक मान्यताय दिवंक एक ग्रामसभेंत थाराव पास करतले आनी ग्लोबल कोंकणी फोरमाक तुमचो पाठिंबो दितलो तांचो फाव फुडें व्हरून.
Sandeep Tuekar, Manish Parab and Vaishnavi Salgaonkar for Goa 365.